Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Sims 4 if it's not launching or opening. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step, go to find your EA app or Steam. Okay, if it's in the EA app, click on it, find the game. Now click on Manage right here. You'll have the Manage button. Just click on it and click on Repair. If you have the game from Steam, open up Steam, find your library. Then I'll look it up right here, Sims. Click on it, right click, now click on Properties, Installed Files, and just verify the integrity of game files. Wait for the process to finish right here, and then once that's done, click on Play. Now, if that still will work, if you have mods, okay, or CC, basically just remove them for now. If you don't know where to find it, just go ahead over to your documents, right here, and then find Electronic Arts, okay, listen closely, Electronic Arts, then the Sims folder, and then mods, okay. Delete everything from the mods folder. And then after that, restart your computer, open up Sims or Sims 4, and then check if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, okay, go and find the EA app. This is for both Steam and EA app. Just right click on EA app, click on Properties, Compatibility, run this program as an administrator, hit on Apply, OK. After that, force close everything. If it's running right here in the background, right click on it, exit, as well as Steam if you have it on Steam. OK, right click, exit. Wait a bit, and then after that, open it up, or open up the Sims 4, and it should work now. Now, if that still will work, open up EA app, okay, as well as the Steam app if you have it on Steam, okay. So what we'll do next is just basically disable overlays, okay. So for EA app, just find 3 horizontal lines. Now go ahead over to Settings, and then in here, go ahead over to Application, scroll all the way down. Okay, all the way down. Here we have in-game overlay, disable it, turn off, close, and play. For Steam, go click on Steam right here at the top left, settings, scroll down, find in-game, overlay, disable it, close, find the game, and just click on play. And after that, everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. That is how you fix Sims 4 if it's not launching or opening. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.